Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll start with installation of Python on your system. Open the browser of your choice. I've used Chrome here. Go to the address bar and type in python.org. It opens the main page or the home page of python.org, where you'll see a downloads option over here when you hover over your mouse on it. If you see the current Python version for Windows, it shows as 3.1.3.5. Since I'm using a Windows laptop, it auto detects the version and shows me the version for that itself and the way it installs for Windows. If you're on a Mac or Linux, it will auto detect your operating system as well and basically show it for you. All right. So if you see here, if you note that Python 3.9 or above cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So if you have a Windows 7, you cannot install the latest version, right? And you can directly click on this Python 3.1.3.5 if you have a Windows 7, if you have a above version than Windows 7. Or let's say you want to go to a specific version to install, or anyway you want to install any version for that matter, you can simply click on this tab on downloads, wherein it shows downloads the latest version for Windows here as well, and click on this yellow tab or the button to install the latest version. Or as I was mentioning, if you want other releases to be installed, you can simply go scroll down a bit and see looking for specific release version. So if you have a earlier Windows machine, let's say Windows 7, find out which version to be installed on Windows 7 and install that particular version. Or otherwise as well, if you want to install any other version for that matter, let's say 3.11 or 3.10 or 3.12, you can go ahead and install those versions from this list. If you scroll up a bit, it says what are the active Python releases currently. So 3.14 is something is in pre-release, which is what does it mean? It is planned to be released in October 2025, right? As we record this video, and the other versions like 3.13, 3.12, 3.11, and so on and so forth are currently active releases of Python. And the current version that is provided for us to install is 3.13.5. So what you can do, you can simply click on this download Python 3.13.5 and it'll start to download Python on your system. It will be an exe file. Either you can go to your file explorer and double click on from downloads and start the exe file or open the exe file, or from here itself you can click on it and it will open the exe file for you. You see a couple of options here: install now and customize installation. Whichever option that you use to install Python, make sure that you check this option, add Python exe to path. Otherwise you might have some path issues while you work with Python, right? So install now, what it will do is it will basically a shortcut, or you can say with the default settings, it will install everything for you, right? You don't have to select anything. But if you want to go for customized installation, let me show you how it does, and we'll install using customized installation. Let's click on that, and you see there are optional features. It says documentation, pip, TCL/TK, which might be used later on in the course, Python test suits, PY launcher, and stuff like that. And if there's another option called for all users, right? You might need admin privileges for doing this. What does it mean? Let's say on your system you have multiple users. For all the users, Python will be installed. We don't want that. We want, let's say, for the current user only from which you have logged in, there only I want it to install, right? So I'll not check this. If you go next, there are other advanced options, again including install Python for all the users, and there are certain options like create shortcuts and everything. You can check to download debugging symbols and other options as well. We'll keep it as it is. So we'll keep the default options in the advanced options as well, and we'll keep the location as it is, and we will click on install. It'll take few seconds or a couple of minutes to install Python on your system. So after the installation has been completed, we would look at, or we'll see this setup was successful message over here, and it is completed. We can close this setup page. Now Python is installed in a system. How to verify it? What you can do is you can open the command prompt by going to the search bar here, type in cmd, open command prompt, type in Python over here and press enter. If you go inside this, if you are able to go inside this prompt where we have this cursor blinking and it says Python and the version of it, it means you are done with the Python installation. There's another way to verify Python is installed or not. When we install Python on our system, the way I showed you, there's something called idle, IDLE. This application also gets installed in our system with Python. Again, go to the search bar and look for this, open it. Idle is nothing but an application wherein it's a shell, it's a Python prompt or a shell. So here you don't have to write anything to go inside the Python prompt. It automatically is inside the Python prompt, and if you see, automatically it says the version which is already installed. You can start working and writing Python program on this shell. This is called an interactive kind of a shell wherein we can write one line at a time, right? And we can basically see what the output is as well. For the initial videos, initial topics, we'll be using idle shell itself for our learning purpose. So what did we learn? We installed Python in this video. We saw what is idle shell and how to verify Python installation on your system. That's all for this video. Thank you.